Kuban Sharp semi-industrial coffee grinder has double heat-treated stainless steel discs with 120 mm. Kuban Sharp series grinders have 2.2 kW electric motor. There is a metal holder inside the coffee hopper. It acts as a magnet to prevent damage to the discs in case of metal foreign materials that may be mixed into the coffee beans. There is a valve on the housing of the grinder to let coffee beans flow through the chamber. Hopper valve should be closed before filling the hopper with coffee beans. When the valve is opened after the machine is started, the machine starts to grind coffee beans. You can feel the hopper that holds up to 3.5 kg of coffee beans. Fineness level can be set by the adjustment lever. There are 14 levels for fineness such as Turkish Coffee, espresso and filter coffee. You can grind coffee beans from 1 to 5 Turkish Coffee, from 5 to 10 espresso, from 10 to 14 filter coffee. There is a clip on the ground coffee outlet pipe to attach coffee bags. Thus, ground coffee can be filled directly into a bag. With the full hopper while the machine turned on, turn the hopper valve to grind and close the valve to stop the grinding process. In the demonstration, the grinder is set to fine level for Turkish Coffee. You can adjust the fineness level while the machine is turned off or turned on. In the demonstration, the grinder is set for espresso coffee. To adjust the fineness level, you can change lever position even the grinder is turned on. In the demonstration, the grinder is set for espresso coffee. Kuban Sharp is the ideal choice for the need for high capacity and fast grinding.